You can see we've got these great new latches on here. These are nylon, glass-filled nylon cover, extremely strong. And when you bring this down, nice and smooth, we call it the easy window, this easy traction it has here. Here's a great feature of it. Right in here, there's a double seal. There's a rubber seal and an aluminum interlocking piece, so that unlike other windows, this has no play at all. No dust, no water can get in there. We have tested these windows to 50,000 lifts up and down. It's the best tested window in the industry and class leading, and another new innovation from Bluebird.